我而家要講嘅就係14年嘅14題啦。咁一題就係講關於 wave 嘅。咁首先佢嗰個 wave 咁就係由 move from right to left 啦。咁為咗就係揾到下邊嘅答案啦，就首先要畫咗兩條 wave，就係 before 嗰個原本嗰條 wave 啦，同埋 after 嗰條 wave。跟住之後畫完之後咧，就睇下由即係橙色嗰條 before 嘅，去到綠色嗰條 after 嘅，就嗰個每一個點係由邊度去到邊度啊？好似 P 咁樣，就係由上至下，所以就係唔係由下至上，所以就係 moving upward 啦。咁而 Q、R、S 嗰啲啦，就係由上至下，所以就係 moving downward。咁因為咁樣咧，所以喺第14題嗰度，第一個咧 P is moving upward 咧就係啱嘅。咁 Q and S are moving in opposite direction 啦，就錯，因為Q 同埋 S 咧都係 moving downward，所以係 same direction。咁第三個 R is at west 啦，就係錯噶啦，因為R 係 moving downward，所以最後答案咧就係 A，only one is correct 咯。咁